Hey class, welcome to your second module. Hopefully the first module went well. Um, After the submission date, I will usually give grades back within 48 hours for the assessments, the art assignment, as well as the discussion board, which will be that each module amount of work. For module two, it's going to be about the same amount of work as module one. Same idea. You're watching the video now. There's a checklist for you to keep you on track, doing the lecture, the reading, um, the discussion, and the art assignment. This week there are two demo videos, but only one art assignment. One is setting up, and then one is drawing from that still life. Remember, every module will be about the same amount of work. Hopefully, once you do one or two, you'll get the hang of things, and things will move smoothly. One other thing I did want to talk about outside of the module work is our two final projects for the class. One is the curation project, where you're actually going to be curating your own art show, and the other is an interpretive paper, where you're going to be going to an art show this semester in person and actually critiquing three pieces of art from that show. I would recommend looking at both of these projects. There are videos on both of them explaining them, and that's going to be something that you should be thinking about as early as possible. I would not wait till the last minute to make those decisions or to be looking into those things. The more time, the better on those projects. And just a reminder, there are videos in each of these folders that will help guide you on those individual projects, both due the last day of class. But remember, each module, you can access the entire class from day one, so you can work ahead if you'd like. As long as you stay on track for those discussion boards. Remember, each discussion board will be the first submission we do by Wednesday, then feedback will be due on Friday, and each week will be the previous art assignment. So that linear perspective we did in the first module, you can upload it right when it's finished. You could even do it Friday when you upload it to the first module, to this discussion, if that makes more sense. Just so you don't forget in that half week submission due date before Wednesday. I know everything's due Friday before midnight. That's the one thing that kind of throws off the schedule, but it makes more sense for the discussion to flow better. Okay, things are looking good. Keep working on those modules, those assessments, and then make sure to not wait too long to take a look at the curation project and interpretive paper. Once again, I would start with the videos on those projects and then dive into some of the material there. Great. Thanks, everybody.